Alright children, welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel. Today we tackle one of the most dangerous things you can do in your Tacoma, aside from leaving the mall parking lot. So today I will show you the process of using a spring compressor, which if you didn't know, you can use to assemble your coilovers if you don't get them pre-assembled, save you a little bit of money. But yes, it is one of the most dangerous things you can do with your Tacoma, just for the simple fact that if you don't do it correctly, or if you're using like an inferior product and it breaks, obviously the spring under tension, suddenly not under tension, you can hurt yourself, you can kill yourself, you can cause extreme damage to your truck, all that terrible stuff. This will not be a tutorial per se, like a step-by-step how-to, just for the simple fact that I don't really want to set myself up for any potential lawsuits if anyone gets hurt. So just remember, be extremely careful when you're doing this. Go with a recommended brand. I will put a link down in the description below on the specific kit used here, which is certainly beefy. The whole thing weighs, it felt like 30 or 40 pounds. Steel, super strong. Obviously, when you buy your kit, if you're going to go that route, you don't want something that doesn't feel well made, considering what's at stake. So I will just show you a quick video of my buddy Eat Sleep Tacos from Tacoma World. You guys remember the video we did on his truck, linked above, just in case you haven't seen it. He just got a spring compressor kit. He's used it a few times already, so he's going to sort of just do like a brief walkthrough on things to consider when using the spring compressor kit, so you make it out alive on the other end. Hope you enjoy the video.
That's it, and then you just run it down.
So how far do you have to compress it? Is there like a marking, or just...
You just kind of do it until you can see that there's like space here,
Yeah.
you like know it's loose.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go a little more because this is still pretty tight. Good idea.
I'm gonna stand out of the range of fire just in case.
In line with it. Alright, let's see how that.
You just take the top plate off.
Oh, it's just spinning.
You gotta get a wrench on the bottom, or what?
Yeah.
So you're just gonna use a regular socket wrench on the nut there?
Right, so as you can see when you're trying to loosen it now,
Yeah.
this just spins, so you won't get anywhere. Let's see if you put this.
Vice
Right
grips and a
here.
socket wrench. There you go. And since it's a relatively new shock, you didn't have to spray it with anything. It was nice. It wasn't rusted on, you know.
Yep.
That can be the biggest pain, is getting the old stuff off.
Dirt on it.
I mean, I periodically put like PV blaster on mine just to keep it, you know, nice and loose. I've seen, like, you know, some people, like, they'll break the nut trying to get it off and then have to like cut it.
Yep.
It's like it takes longer to do that than it does for the install. Finger loose. All right, progress.
So now I'm just gonna take the pressure off of the coil.
Is there a certain, like, slower the better, or
I just
same speed?
I do it as quick as possible because I don't like when this is
Tension.
compressed, because it's just like a ticking time
If it's
bomb.
gonna break, it's gonna break while it's under tension.
Yep. So
Well, I'm gonna stand over here where it's safe, just in case. we're all still alive.
I don't speak too soon.
Well, we're alive for now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So this, we're not gonna reuse.
Okay. I'll just throw that in the back.
Yeah, you can like sell those for a few $100.
You know anybody?
I know. All right.
Fire.
God, that makes me so uncomfortable.
Why?
Just like watching this like bend a tiny bit. Like,
Oh.
I don't like it.
My spring looks like a slinky now.
Exactly.
Backing it out.
No, tighten more. So we gotta get this put on and have room for the rubber bushing.
Yeah.
So we're almost there. I shouldn't put my fingers there. So much vibration. There we go, that is plenty of room.
Plenty.
Sweet. So, one thing to remember when you're assembling these, you want one of the studs to be in line with this.
Okay.
One straight line from here all the way up to the stud.
Okay.
That way it lines up when you place it in the truck.
Gotcha.
Okay.
That looks pretty straight.
Did you discover that the hard way one time?
Yes.
You're like, damn it.
The worst part was it was Rob, Local,
Oh, okay.
and his buddy assembled them for him, brought it over, and we're like, we can't get these in. So then we had to go rent the super sketchy spring compressors there for like cars, and that was not fun.
You guys
At all.
survived though. And same thing, vice grips and your socket wrench.
I think now with this being new, we might be able to just run it down.
Okay.
If that's not the right size. Okay, looks like it's an 18. That's weird. Alright, this will work. That's it.
Awesome.
Oh.
I'll back it off. There's one.
No, that might be a hair crooked.
It's still going.
No, probably not. We'll see.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. If it is your first time and you love everything related to Tacomas, please consider subscribing. Give the video a like and comment below on if when you get your lift, you're gonna go the spring compressor route or just get everything pre-assembled for an extra $100 or so. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload, which is at least twice a week. And please help me grow the channel by sharing the video with your friends and family on social media. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video.